Unveiling Black Friday, a guide to unmatched shopping deals. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic that many of you have heard about, but might not fully understand: Black Friday deals. Whether you're a shopping enthusiast or just curious about this global phenomenon, this video will explain what Black Friday deals are, their origin, and why they're so important for both consumers and retailers. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind these incredible offers. Black Friday marks the beginning of the holiday shopping season in the United States. It falls on the day after Thanksgiving, which is always on the fourth Thursday of November. This means Black Friday can vary between the 23rd and the 29th of November. It's famous for its exceptional sales and discounts offered by retailers both big and small. From electronics to clothing, almost every type of product is available at reduced prices, making it one of the busiest shopping days of the year. The term Black Friday originally had a negative connotation, associated with a financial crisis in the 19th century. However, its modern meaning is far more positive. The name is thought to have come from Philadelphia in the 1960s, where it was used to describe the heavy traffic and chaotic shopping the day after Thanksgiving. Retailers later adopted the term with a more positive spin, indicating the point at which their profits turned from red, loss, to black, gain, thanks to the massive volume of sales. The popularity of Black Friday deals lies in the significant discounts that are not usually available at other times of the year. For shoppers, it's an opportunity to buy gifts for the upcoming holiday season or purchase items they've been eyeing at a fraction of the cost. For retailers, it's a chance to boost sales, clear out old stock, and attract new customers. The advent of online shopping has also played a crucial role, with many deals now available online, extending the shopping spree to include the following Cyber Monday. 1. Research in advance. Look up products you're interested in and compare prices across different retailers to know what constitutes a good deal. 2. Set a budget. It's easy to get carried away by the discounts, so setting a spending limit can help keep your finances in check. 3. Look out for early deals. Some retailers start their sales well before the actual day, so keep an eye out for early bird specials. 4. Check return policies. In the excitement of the moment, it's important to buy from stores with flexible return policies in case you change your mind. We hope this guide to Black Friday deals has been enlightening and will help you navigate the sea of discounts with ease. Remember, the key to making the most out of Black Friday is preparation, a keen eye for good deals, and quick decision-making. Whether you're shopping in-store or online, we wish you a successful and satisfying shopping experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video.